for staff means the Regina Health Region is cutting back on elective surgery. Former Prime Minister Stephen Harper addressing party faithful in Vancouver for the first time since losing the election last fall. And the price was right for a man from Saskatchewan to make a few bucks on that popular American game show. In Regina, we have sunshine, 15 degrees. CJME News for Prairie Heart Mobility. Home is where the heart is. The Regina Health Region won't be performing as many elective surgeries this summer as they were throughout other parts of the year. CJME Sarah Mills reporting to us this morning. That's because
so kailangan lang yung health card mo. Worn out na yung health card ko eh. Saan ba kukuha ng bagong health card? Tawag.
Off ka ba ng Friday? Kung off ka ng Friday, doon tayo sa may sa downtown.
Friday nga.
Pa-check up ka muna.
Big news out of the world of science, good for Saskatchewan too. The radioisotopes produced at the University of Saskatchewan's cyclotron has received approval from Health Canada to be used in medical scans. This will be handy. There's been a huge drop in supply of these vital isotopes when Shock River Nuclear Reactor in Ontario went offline. Former Prime Minister Stephen Harper says the Conservative Party remains strong and united. Harper spoke to the Conservative Party convention in Vancouver, his first speech since the election loss last fall.
I see the energy, I see the passion, and I see the deep, abiding love for our Canada that will propel you forward to an even...
Naloko lang ang mga voters kay Trudeau.
Saying only that he enjoys not being center stage anymore.
Maraming galit kay Harper pero mas malala pa ang mangyayari kay Trudeau. Privatization si Trudeau.
But 71 years after the first atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, Barack Obama is calling for a reduction in global stockpiles of nuclear weapons.
The scientific revolution that led to the splitting of an atom requires a moral revolution as well. That is why we come to this place.
Obama is the first sitting president to visit Hiroshima. Donald Trump now has enough delegates to secure the nomination for president for the Republican Party.
It's going to be a thick wall. It's going to be a beautiful wall. Today, what I've got,
Hindi niloloko niya lang.
I'd much rather have a statue in Washington, D.C.
Now, he won't formally accept the party's nomination that comes at the convention in July, and then the campaigning gets underway. Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas just can't get a break from the violent storms. More than a dozen twisters tore across those states yesterday, making it at least 100 tornadoes so far this week. The airport in Kansas was evacuated, and passengers had to go into tornado shelter tunnels.
I've lived in the tornado area my whole life. That's the first time I've ever had to go into a shelter, and I wasn't too worried, so.
I had concrete on all sides, so it's a good place to be.
Another tornado ripped roofs off several homes in Bryan, Texas, that's northwest of Houston. Searchers are picking up a signal from the Mediterranean that could be the missing Egypt Air flight. It crashed on a flight from Paris to Cairo, killing 66 people, including 2 Canadians. For the first time, Saskatchewan will have a woman serving as deputy minister to the premier. Alana Cook will take over the position at the end of June when Doug Moen steps down. Doping samples from the 2012 London Olympics have been retested, with 23 coming back positive. They come from athletes in 6 countries in 5 sports, but no one is being named, at least not yet. This adds to the 31 athletes caught in retests of samples from the 2008 Beijing Olympics. A man from Saskatchewan scooped up $8 grand after being on Price is Right. Chris Ohms was cheered on by his wife and daughter in the crowd as he managed to accurately guess the price of floor cleaner, cold medicine, and iced tea. Ohms still has to pay taxes on his winnings, but he still feels like he'll come out ahead. CJME News Time, 9:05.
Stay connected to the latest news at
Homes by Dream. What is that?
For Windsor Plywood, experts in molding and trim.
CJME traffic and weather together. Here's Andrew Shepard.
No reports of crashes, but there is construction. Regina Ave is closed between Albert and Montague. Broadway still closed between Wallace and Atkinson, and slow on Broad, south of College, for construction. I'm not hearing about any tie-ups on Ring Road, number 1 or 11. If you see any problems, text us at 306-306. From the traffic desk, I'm Andrew Shepard, News Talk 980 CJME.
CJME weather for Input Capital. Infuse your farm with the capital you need to start calling your own shots. Partner with them. InputCapital.com. Here's CJME weather specialist John Wilson.
A mix of sun and cloud as low pressure still strong across southern Saskatchewan. High pressure pushing into the north, trying to clear it out. We have to add showers. Pretty good chance of a few scattered ones to the mix of sun and cloud. 21 degrees today, partly cloudy and 10 tonight. Tomorrow, new low pressure comes out of the Rockies. That means cloud with late showers, 17, and that passes by and partly
Dami na
sunny on
kagad, oh.
Sunday.
So pila na naman yan.
I'm John Wilson from the CJME Weather Center.
Right now, 16 in Saskatoon, 13 in Swift Current, 11 in Weyburn, 14 in Estevan, 14 in Yorkton. Moose Jaw sunny and 14. Regina sunshine. Southeast wind 9, 15 degrees. Traffic and weather together every 15 minutes on your way to work. I'm Andrew Dawson, News Talk 980 CJME.
Hosting Saskatchewan's biggest conversation. This is Gormley on News Talk 980 CJME.
Sino tayo mag-park?
Sa party.